Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Trading with certainty, develop and unleash your trading instinct. I got a new banner, kind of excited by it. Yeah, I posted it up yesterday. I thought I'd make a quick little video on this and also talk about Moderna, obviously. We've been killing day trading that stock, so we're following it. And while we're doing all of that, we're teaching you how to do the gap and short selling fundamentals. We're having a lot of fun. Hopefully you're making money. I'm definitely making money, over and over again because I've mastered this framework, this strategy, and really the risk reward is always in our favor. So let's get started in the charts. Tell me what you think about this banner. I really like it in the comments below. Remember, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Obviously, not financial advice, education, and entertainment. Hopefully, you're enjoying yourself. Let's jump into the charts, shall we? There we go. Got Moderna on the docket. Didn't do anything. Did squat diddly what today? Nothing. So, this is a 2-hour chart. And this is kind of like where we left off yesterday. This is a reversal candle. And then we have a bull flag. And then we have a continuation of that bull flag. Where are we going? We're going to have to fill the gap here. And then we're going to be testing this high here. That's my perception of what the stock's going to do. Can it come back and test down here? Yes. We mentioned if you're a conservative trader, if you want to do the swing trade, 308 would be 309, 308 would be an entry and a great risk reward. Why? Because if we close on an hourly, if you're doing a swing trade, it would be like hourly or 2-hour, candle closing below here or on a daily basis somewhere in this area. Then you just close your position and that's where you manage your risk. Maybe you only risk $5 and you're looking to make $40 or $50, right? So that's a really good swing trade idea. It's up to you. My forte is doing the gap, filling the gap trade in the morning or the breakdown candle. That's what I love doing all the time because it works. We discussed also yesterday, if we zoom in on a 15-minute chart, this would have been the perfect trade. Let me try to get a proper picture here. So we talked about if it opened down here was a buy, and then if we opened higher, which we did, and we'd come into the closing price, it would be a buy. Man, we missed it literally by like $2, and it would have been an actual the low. If you would have see, this is 228. The closing price was 226, 226.10, whatever it was, so $2, right? And then the high of the day was 237, so there was still a $10 move there. So it didn't do the perfect trade, but it did do the thing that we talked about, which was a higher open, pull back to or near the closing price, and then it would take off. It did, and then we went sideways. And to me, this is just a continuation of the bull flag. We're slowly trending higher, making new highs and lower lows, building energy to maybe test up here. So full disclosure, all I did today, I knew I'm not. If the price would have came down here, I would have bought a ton, but I bought at 335. It was here. I was like, I just bought 15 shares. So I was like, I'll dip my toe in. I was like, I don't know, maybe it'll fill the gap today, maybe not. If it doesn't, I don't care because I just bought 15 shares, but I just didn't want to miss out. And right now it's just going sideways. So I am holding in overnight, just 15 shares. It's not a lot. So we'll see. Typically, and you're going to probably see this by example. Every time I hold overnight, it gaps down, and then, I end up taking a bigger loss than I should. So we'll see if this happens again. But if it's just a tiny number of shares, sometimes I don't mind. We're just so low. We just come down so low. I'm willing to take a little bit of overnight risk. That's the only reason why I'm doing it. So what could we expect tomorrow? So two things. Again, if we're expecting the gap up, fill the gap, right, to the closing price of today and then a takeoff, or we have a lower open, we fill the gap on the bearish, right, and then we go lower. Those are our two options, and maybe And then, yes, exactly. And then the third option is if we just have a breakdown candle, right? Then you can short that candle, and then we're looking, right? And then you use the top of that candle as your out, and then you just follow it to your 1% move, right? You take off some profit, and then you come here at 308, and then that would be your next target. So maybe you get in at 318, you take some profit at 314, or maybe you get in at 322, right? Take some profit at 318, then you let maybe try to get another $4, but that's the strategy. So for tomorrow. So again, maybe we gap up, come into the closing price, take off, gap down, come into the closing price, pull back, or we just have a breakdown candle and we continue lower to test this, because I am expecting that. But again, the market likes to, test the breakdown candle highs and fill gaps. So don't be surprised the market coming back up here in the week or two to come, and that's what we're watching for. Big moves on the upside. I am calling it. There may be a $30-$40 up day coming soon near you. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, comment. Hopefully you like my new banner. I love it, and we'll see you tomorrow.